everyone! Welcome back to Learning Zone, where we make education simple and fun. Today, we're diving into an important and interesting topic: the impact of social media on education. We'll also explore social media versus reality and its side effects. So, stay with us till the end. Introduction to social media. Social media has become a huge part of our lives. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok connect millions of people worldwide. It helps us share information, stay in touch with friends, and express ourselves. But have you ever thought about how social media affects education? Let's find out. Positive impact of social media on education. Let's start. Social media has made learning easier and more accessible. Easy access to information. Websites like YouTube and educational pages provide tutorials, lectures, and study tips. Students can learn anytime, anywhere. Online study groups. Through social media groups and chats, students discuss assignments, share notes, and solve doubts together. This builds teamwork and communication skills. Creative learning. Social media platforms inspire creativity. Students can make projects, create educational content, and even learn new skills like graphic design or video editing. Negative impact of social media on education. But social media isn't always helpful. Let's look at some of its negative effects on education. Distraction. One of the biggest problems is distraction. Scrolling through reels or watching endless videos takes time away from studies. Misinformation. Not everything on social media is true. Sometimes students get wrong or incomplete information, which affects their learning. Addiction. Spending too much time on social media can lead to addiction. This harms productivity and mental health. Social media versus reality. Social media often shows a filtered version of reality. People post their best moments, but real life isn't always perfect. Students may feel pressure to look or behave a certain way, which affects self-esteem and focus on studies. How to use social media wisely? So, how can we use social media without letting it affect our education? Set time limits. Use social media only during breaks and avoid scrolling when studying. Follow educational pages. Subscribe to channels and pages that offer study tips, career advice, and educational content. Fact-check information. Always cross-check facts before using them in assignments or exams. Social media is powerful. It can help or hurt your education. The choice is yours. Use it wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learning Zone. See you in the next video. Take care and keep learning.